Urgent hiring relationship officer or senior relationship of company Sindhuja Microcredit Pvt Limited. Position relationship officer or senior relationship officer. Product MSME LAP. Location Uttar Pradesh. Job locations Uttar Pradesh East, Gorakhpur, Maharajganj, Deoria, Uttar Pradesh West, Agra, Hapur, Dibai, Unnao, Barabanki. Sindhuja Microcredit Pvt Limited is hiring relationship officers or senior relationship officers for its MSME LAP business across multiple locations in Uttar Pradesh. Key requirements: must have experience in MSME loans or LAP, strong client relationship management skills, strong business development skills, graduate or relevant qualification preferred. Key skills: MSME loan or LAP experience, client relationship management, business development, customer handling. This is an excellent opportunity for candidates with relevant MSME loans LAP experience to looking to grow their career in financial services और माइक्रो फाइनेंस सेक्टर्स। अगर आप इंटरेस्टेड हैं तो दिए गए ईमेल पर अपना अपडेटेड सीवी भेज करके अप्लाई कर सकते हैं और नंबर पे भी कांटेक्ट करके अप्लाई कर सकते हैं। थैंक यू।